Hello everyone, a short video about our Eoneboss NK001, what it can do. We open our app. It has two functions. First is Smart Key Copy. For this function, you can read the original car key information. You need to open the shell and take the board, connect to our NK001 by the connection board or our adapters. Then you can use the NK001 to read the key, all the information, then write into the third party or the original key. And the new key can be used directly without too much to vehicle. There's a note, NCF29AG is not supported yet, and the remote control maybe have problems. But for BMW BDC2, BDC3, it is okay. You can use this function. Okay, let us continue the steps. This is the chip pinout. You need to connect it with this. And it only has the NCF29A chips for now, and we will update the PCF in the future. Like this, we need to connect our NK001. Connect it. And it has a P15. This cable need to connect. For my video, I will use the adapter. We click next step. We need to open the NK001, but before you connect the tail, you need to make sure your connection.
Then we turn on the tool.
Okay, we click connect. It will directly read the key. So before you connect your device, you need to make sure your key connection is succeed. This is the information. Then we need to prepare the smart key to be copied. It means you need to change the key. You need to change a different key. You can use the original key or the third party key. It's all okay. Just make sure the chip. Same operation. We click next. This is the chip pin. But in this page, you will not see the P15. This cover don't need to connect. And when you connect your new key, the NK001 will keep power on. We click copy. It is easy to operate. Copy successful. And there should be a tip. If your key is our Eoneboss smart key, then you can generate it without any limits. But if it is other keys, it have 5 times everyday limit. You click done. Then this step is finished, and the customer service function, it will show you to contact our sellers if you want to make customer service. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.